Hi, I'm Chris Cardona. There's nothing like a new cruise ship, but when older vessels need updating or repairs, they head into dry dock where the clock is ticking to get them back into service. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of cruise ship revitalizations on our series Dry Dock Discovery, coming up on Talking Cruise. German cruise line AIDA Cruises recently completed and moved the huge aft section of their latest cruise ship AIDAnova as she progresses through the construction process. At the Meyer shipyard in Papenburg, Germany, they use massive buildings called assembly halls to construct large sections of ships indoors where they can control the elements. The construction of each section starts from a hull segment that is built in another facility and moved along the River Ems using a tugboat and then guided into the assembly hall. Once each section is complete, they move them outside and start the process all over again of building another large section. Eventually, all the sections are welded together to construct the entire vessel. Thank you for watching Dry Dock Discovery. Don't forget to like this video, post your comments and questions, and subscribe for more Talking Cruise.